Have you ever worried that someone might be using your personal information to do something sneaky, especially when it comes to your money or your taxes? It is a scary thought to imagine your identity being compromised, and for good reason, because it can cause a lot of headaches. If someone filed a fraudulent tax return using your personal information, the immediate answer is that you need to act quickly to report the identity theft to the Internal Revenue Service. This is a serious situation that requires prompt and careful attention to protect yourself and your financial standing. The reason this happens is often due to identity theft, where criminals obtain sensitive details like your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number, and then use them to file a tax return in your name. They might try to claim a fraudulent refund, hoping to get the money before the true taxpayer or the IRS realizes what has happened. This type of fraud can delay your legitimate tax refund, create unexpected notices from the IRS, and even put your future tax filings at risk. To address this, your first step should be to file an identity theft affidavit, Form 14039, with the IRS. It is also crucial to respond to any IRS notices you receive right away. You should also report the identity theft to the Federal Trade Commission and consider placing a fraud alert on your credit reports with the 3 major credit bureaus. When you file your own legitimate tax return, make sure to submit it on paper, include a copy of your Form 14039, and attach any documentation that supports your tax claims. A key step many overlook is consistently monitoring your credit, reports, and financial statements for any unusual activity. The Internal Revenue Service has a dedicated Identity Protection Personal Identification Number Program, or IP PIN program, which assigns a unique 6-digit number to eligible taxpayers each year. Using an IP PIN adds an extra layer of security, making it much harder for fraudsters to file a return in your name because they would need this specific number. Taking these protective actions ensures that you maintain control over your tax records and financial security. By reporting the fraud and safeguarding your personal information, you help prevent future unauthorized activity and ensure that your legitimate tax obligations and refunds are handled correctly. This process helps restore your peace of mind and keeps your financial identity secure.